WORKPRO's 12V cordless rotary kit aims at power and bang for buck. The Amazon page positions it as a 12-volt machine with a 2.0 battery, 5-speed settings spanning about 7,532,000 RPM, and a massive 114-piece accessory set. It's built for engraving, sanding, polishing, and similar tasks, and the kit comes with a carrying bag and a 2-size chuck system for quick accessory changes. The listing also notes frequent purchases and prime pricing options. Exact dollar amounts change dynamically on Amazon, so check the product link I used for the live price. We share by links in description box. Vlogger style opinion. This is the value play if you want something more powerful than USB minis but don't want to pay Dremel premiums. The 12V motor and the hefty accessory count make it an attractive starter kit for hobbyists and people doing a mix of projects. I'd recommend it for model builders who sometimes need power for denser materials, and for home DIYers who need versatility. The trade-offs are typical. WORKPRO isn't Dremel's brand legacy, so build refinements and polish may not be identical. Still, users rave about the accessories and performance for the price. Some users say the battery and charging are fine for casual to moderate use, but that pros doing long continuous heavy jobs should look at corded or higher-end cordless platforms. Pros: very large accessory set, 12V power, good value. Cons: brand performance finesse not quite at premium levels. Battery life depends on workload. All told, great mid-range option. Check the live price via the link. We share by links in description box.